think right now the number one challenge for supply chain leaders across the board is resilience. Well, so what visibility does, combined with location intelligence and context, it provides sort of the information about location. So imagine you have a container crossing a geofence in a port or sea terminal. Now, once that event happens, and we trust the data about that event, all of a sudden, the dwell action can be taken. And that means that all kinds of downstream planning processes could take place. From issuing an invoice, from planning the truck to pick up the goods, from organizing the equipment within the ports. So this is just one example how efficiency, control, and transparency could be achieved. Agentic AI, of course, is tremendous technology, and we hear stories about what it can do and what value it can bring, and I agree with that. But I do want to provide a bit of a perspective on timing, right? We have this sort of a three-horizon thinking when it comes to supply chain visibility and transparency. And horizon one is really from being reactive. And this is where we put things on the map and we improve the ETA calculations. But we are really being a bit reactive to events happening around us. And this is where Gen AI could help, or agentic AI could help, but mainly on building the foundation. And the foundation relies on data that can be trusted. The next horizon for us is more proactive, right? So the example I gave with Dwell and all kinds of actions that can be taken can be expanded for the carriers, for the goods owners, and for other members of the ecosystem. Because now, since you know disruption is coming, you could start taking action. However, it's going to be agentic AI with human in the middle. So data will be prepared, but then human still needs to make a decision. And then as you gain your trust in the data and in automation, you approach Horizon 3, which we call, full autonomy of supply chain. We see here technologies as one of our strategic partners. As I shared before, we have quite a high level of ambition in bringing the visibility and resilience in supply chain, but nothing can be done without technology that gives you location, geofencing, and also all kinds of advanced components that are part of HERE platform.